Yeah, welcome to KrossoverKicksTV.
Real recognize real.
Yes, sir. 2026, man. Welcome back.
Yes.
To another episode, man. What's good, man? What's good? What's good?
It's been a minute.
Yes, sir.
We missed y'all too. We missed y'all, and 2026 is gonna be a big year for us.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I can feel it. Pause. But yeah, it'll be great.
Straight to 1,000 subs. This review that you're about to see. Anyway, welcome back. It's your boy Jo.
Yep, and it's your boy Kali. Of course, we appreciate y'all checking out the video as always.
Yes, sir.
Like, comment, subscribe. We're not even gonna go into all that. Y'all already know what to do. So, as per customary usual, even though it's been a year,
we're bringing it back.
Yep. So
bring it back.
Let's go right into that foot check, man.
Let's do it, man.
Yeah. Your turn. You go first.
All right. Yeah, I'll go first.
I remember that part. Okay.
Home team.
All right.
There it is. The Kobe 1. That's the playoff. This is the playoff. Originally dropped 01, 2000, 2001. This specific colorway, if you want to be specific. 2014 came back in 2024, and that's what you see right here. Yes, sir.
Yeah, and that was a good. Actually, you're welcome. By the way.
That was
BSTN. That was BSTN. For sure.
Looked out on these for the low. So anyway,
and that's actually one of the grails of mine.
Yeah, man, I had to follow suit for sure.
Shoot, I just hit the table, but nothing much here. Just a LeBron 20. This one's from 2023, I believe. I don't even know if it has a nickname or not, but it's just a black, gold color. As you can see, I wear them, so part of the date.
Yeah, man. The thing about the LeBrons, man, we got to talk about that. By the way, those Lorraine, we need to do a pod on. In my opinion,
the 23.
The 23.
Yeah.
He went back to way bulkier outside of that Lorraine thing. Went to way bulkier. This
was,
streamlined LeBrons. 22, those were like more wearable.
The 22 kind of got a little bulky again. Yeah. But anyway, that's besides the point. We're talking about Nike. We're talking about y'all see the thumbnail.
Yeah, you see the background.
Yeah.
You see Reebok gang. We do all things.
Yeah. Touch all the brands.
Yes.
But so go ahead. Show them what it is, man.
So y'all saw the thumbnail, so you know what it is. But this is my first time actually unboxing these. Wanted to do that for y'all on tape. Bag of death, by the way, Reebok. Thank you.
It's not a box, man. What happened to the box?
These dropped 3 days ago.
Thursday the 22nd.
Yeah. I will say, expeditiously, these babies came through. This is Saturday. We're recording this. These came early this morning.
Oh, that's a nice box too.
Nice box.
Yeah. Wow. Okay.
Homage to the retro. And then we got this is a little different. It's a pull-out box. And they came, we'll just set this, I guess, right
there.
And these came
wrapped like sandwiches.
Hoagies. Oh, got the hoagie style. The hoagie style wrappers.
All right, let's see. This is my first time seeing these two as well. Okay. All right. And I got a little bit of a bone to pick with Reebok as well. But yeah. Okay, man. Reebok SHAQNOSIS Low. This is the first time the shoe has actually been brought out in a low, and I feel it was tastefully done. But your sneaker, go ahead. You do your thing. I'm gonna examine.
Yeah. This is the Shaq Reebok Low 2026. Man, this is a it's hypnotizing. I'm losing words, but it's hypnotizing. Definitely. You guys getting a little hypnotized right here with the little but if y'all haven't seen any reviews on this, I know Wear Testers dropped one. Just initial. First of all, this is a way more wearable shoe for short kings out here. Shout out to the short kings. Sometimes the leg to tongue ratio. You know what I'm talking. You know what I'm talking about.
I know what you're talking about. I know what you're talking
about. It's like a shin guard, somewhat of a shin guard. So I just wanted to show these two in comparison. This is a true low. This is not.
Yeah, it's for sure. It's definitely a low top.
Yeah. Which I can, even we were talking about the question lows.
Yep.
More wearable for me. I have the mids. the OGs, red and blue. Don't want to go down that rabbit hole, but just that the tongue. These are definitely more wearable for me. The one thing that off the top, I feel like it was a miss right here. That's like half a point deduction.
Okay. Yeah.
I wanted Shaq right here.
It's right here though.
It is right here. They kept that original to the original shoe. Shaq right there.
Yeah, I would agree with you on that.
But on the back, you got the vector. I do like the red hit. I think that's something new to the Shaq.
Add no spice to it. This is the first time they've actually
got the red vector behind the tongue. Can y'all see that? It says SHAQNOSIS right there.
I don't know. I've never had the original or any of the
so this is,
I don't know if that's on there. Yeah. But I guess speaking of the history, I'm history nerd.
Yeah.
Originally came out during the 95-96 season, which was unfortunately his final season with my Orlando Magic. Then they retroed again in 2013. Those did very well, and then they retroed again in 2020, which were dumb limited. And this is the first time we've seen it since 2020. So 6 years since we've actually had this particular shoe, and the first time they actually brought it out in a low, which actually was tastefully done. I know you got to try them on
straight to the toe. Straight to the toe.
Yeah, man.
This is going straight to the toe live for y'all.
Yeah. Oh. And in the meantime,
history lesson. But
in the meantime, so let me highlight Reebok. So so I went for these on this past Thursday, January 22nd, as well, just like everybody else. And the only size that they did not carry was a 10.5. I can't wear an 11 in the shoe because this is an old school shoe.
Crazy work.
So I'm saying. So it's like I didn't want to get it in a half size too big because it was just
that's the right call. That's the right call.
So it's like, how can Reebok not carry a 10.5? The only size they did not carry at all. It wasn't sold out. It wasn't even available for purchase. What in the heck is going on, Reebok, man? Come on, Shaq. Talking to you, Shaq and Iverson.
Big Diesel.
President and Vice President of the basketball division of Reebok. Come on, man. You can't look out for your boy, man. Come on, what's going on? I've been supporting y'all for years. But it's all good. How'd it feel, though? How'd it feel?
Straight to toe with these?
Yeah.
I would say true to size.
Which one is this?
11.5. True to size, y'all.
12s or
11.5 is my true. Unless I'm going in like some of the newer like LeBron, the Ja 3s, I'm a size 12. Yeah, just to give y'all a apples to apples comparison. So these, my true size, I went 11.5 and I actually ordered a 12. I was able to cop both pair, man. I feel bad. I really do. I was able to cop a couple. Yeah, but anyway,
it's all,
it was a 10 o'clock launch. I got right on there, and it was like the easiest cop for me. But yeah, I would say just go true to size, even with a wide foot. I think you could probably get away with a half size up if you really have a wide foot and you want that extra space. But I'm comfy. I'm good.
Okay.
I'm comfy.
All right, so let's go right into scores. Scale of 1 to 10. Reebok. Well, it's gonna be a 2-part question. Where do you rank the original, the mid version? And then where do you rank the low top? It's on a scale of 1 to 10.
If we're on a 10, I just, from a nostalgia purpose, from just that shoe just being completely different, the pumps were different, then the SHAQNOSIS was just like crazy. Just from me remembering 95, right? 95 they dropped.
95, 96 season. So yeah, technically 95, yeah.
I was in Illinois, still was a huge Magic fan. We talked about that probably on previous. Yeah. 10. It's a 10. I mean, just nostalgia.
This is a 10.
The nostalgia.
What is the attack?
The Shaq attack?
Yeah.
Which color? These right?
Either or. The white ones. This is the one he wore most of the time. So if this is a 10, what is that? Just curious. Is that a 10 as well?
Yeah. What?
So they're the same to you?
I think they're different, but they can still be a 10.
It's a different 10. Okay. All right. Okay.
Y'all tell me. So the chop it up in the comments. What are we talking?
So the original is a 10.
Here we go.
So what is the low?
No, actually, I'll take just from aesthetics. Let's be real. Yeah. Wearability, it's probably like a 6.5 for me or a 7 for me. I can't wear that shoe. A short king is not really rocking these type of shoes. But wearability, this one, I have to deduct points. They took the big dog off the back. I'm sorry. They took the dunk man off the back. Deduct half a point for me. The low, it's more wearable shoe, so it gives me like some wiggle room. I'll give it a strong 9, straight up. Strong 9 on the low.
9 out of 10.
Yeah. I mean, you can't. It's not gonna outrank the OG.
But it's the same shoe technically, it's just with the roof cut off.
Yeah, it's got the roof cut off.
So, all right. So you said the first one was for the classic part was a 10.
Yeah, nostalgia checks all the boxes.
So wearability was a 6. So what is that? So we're talking that's an 8 then for you.
Yeah.
So that's an 8. So this one's better then.
Yeah. Okay.
Respect.
Yeah. Okay.
Respect it.
And they put Durabuck on this as well.
Yeah, they changed it.
And then they made it more breathable. Couple like actual things that matter on the shoe. You got mesh right here.
Yeah.
Little Durabuck. I don't know. It's weird. It's Durabuck here, and then it's like some kind of Durabuck on the top.
And then it's supposed to be suede.
It's like
this is suede and then Durabuck.
Yeah.
So, okay. Yeah.
Several couple different materials. That is different from the OG. Okay. But yeah, go ahead, man.
All right, so
what's
let's
up,
see.
Man?
All right, well, if we go with the OGs, the original. Well, comparing it to other Shaqs, which is what I got to do. Original, mid, or high, solid 7.
Okay. I
like the low better.
Okay.
Low, this one here, even though it took off the Dunk Man, but that's fine. They add a little spice of color. These are a solid 8.
Okay.
Solid 8. Good, strong B, maybe B plus. 8.5. 8. You know,
you're not giving this an A minus?
8.25. No, because these are a freaking 10. These are like one of my favorite Shaq. Okay. The Shaq Attack 4, which was the one right before this. Love that shoe. It's super high though. That's the one that looks like the Orcas almost. But yeah, so that one's super high. If they come out with a low in that, that's a 10 because it's got the black, the royal blue, the white. He wore them in the '95 finals against Olajuwon. Plus on top of that, this is his last one with the Magic.
Bruh, come on, man.
And then here's a kicker. I know we're getting off topic. We're gonna end the video here shortly. Off the top, he signed with the Lakers on my 14th birthday.
Really?
July 18th, 1996.
Okay.
14th birthday. He signed with the freaking Lakers.
Another history lesson.
So yeah, I'm deeply tied with this Magic franchise. You know what I mean? So that's why I'm hoping and praying one day we'll get a championship. But
man,
we'll cross that bridge when we get to it. But yeah, man. So solid 8 out of 10.
Okay.
These
across the boards.
Yeah.
Across the boards, basically.
Okay. What do y'all think? What do y'all rank them in the comments?
Get in those comments below, man. Short Kings, can y'all relate with the shin guard? Like,
come on, man. Hey.
Yo.
Hey.
But anyway, man, shout out to Reebok. Thank y'all. We have to say thank you. Now, Nike, get on your job. We need some of them penny tools, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, take some note, man. They coming with it, man. Coming with it, Reebok. I see you now.
So, yeah.
Appreciate that.
Since we're talking Reebok, like I said, you got Reebok.
Hopefully they drop a 10.5. I don't know. That was crazy.
Or I'm even focused now, on
yeah.
Shaq Attack 4 low top. I'm in.
Okay.
Off the jump. So
all right.
Anyway,
if you know, man.
Let us know what y'all think of them. But yeah, we are glad to be back. Plenty of other videos coming, and yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm gonna be checking them comments,
share,
responding.
All that talk junk.
Yeah.
If you don't like I don't care, man. If you don't like my rankings, man. Anyway, we gone, baby. Right. SHAQNOSIS, KrossoverKicksTV, real recognize real. We gone, baby.
Out of here. Out of here.
Hey, what's up? It's me again. If you made it this far in the video, we want to give you a little treat. So, if you didn't know, hit them with it, baby.
Oh, yeah. In case you guys didn't know, the pair that released to the public back in 95, 96 was, of course, the mid-top that we talked about earlier in the video. But Shaq actually had a player exclusive where it was super high and it had the actual Instapump. So, in case you didn't know that, go look up the Googles. You can see it. It was freaking dang near, coming up.
Yeah, it would have been up to my knee. Let's be honest.
I'm talking about Shaq. It was even high up Shaq. So just in case you guys didn't know, he had a different PE, separate from the actual release. So
in the size 22, there's a picture of my there's a picture of Josiah with this holding the size 22 just to reference. Yeah, we'll drop that in there too. But anyway, man,
like, comment, subscribe.
Yeah, share this thing, man.
Yes.
Come on, real sneaker enthusiasts in the building, man. Run it up. Let's go.
Numbers up.
Yes, sir.
KrossoverKicksTV. Go on.
Peace. All right, so we got a question for our producer who did so excellent with this. Baby girl, what you think? Rank these. 9 years old. What would you? Come on.
Scale of 1 to 10.
1 to 10. Let's go. Let's hear it.
I like the color of. I like how it's like black and white, and how it's like you guys said, like the hypnotizing type of thing. I mean, I would wear that too, so I'd probably give it like a 7.
Okay.
7 out of 10.
All right.
Okay.
Respect. Kept it real. Kept it real. Yeah. Appreciate you, baby girl. All right. We out of here. Peace.